honoring the person, the position, and the community. The need to do something to memorialize. It's heartfelt. It needs to be done.
Started on the job April 7th, 1994. So it's 22 years on the job. I did 8 years in Pennsylvania, and I've been with the city of Yuma very close to 15 years now. The design of the monument was a conglomeration of the membership that were at our monthly meetings. It's always going to serve as a reminder of the sacrifice that the law enforcement officers have given while serving and protecting this community, which is a responsibility that each one of us has that wear the badge to ensure that those that have fallen before our time are never forgotten. It also serves a purpose, and a very important purpose, for the surviving family members, because it is extremely important to me that they know and understand that just because their loved one is no longer with us, they're still and forever always will be part of our law enforcement family. I know that we can rely on the community to help us build this project. It would be located on the west side of the Pacific Avenue Athletic Complex, which is in the area of Pacific Avenue and 8th Street. The new softball complex that the city built.
If you ever go by the Yuma Police Department, in front of their station house is a granite stone. Some might say, well, okay, you've honored them. It's not enough. Not enough.